Hello everybody! Had an unfortunate failure here at the house. The thermostat control I use for my window AC in the bedroom failed. Turn it on and show you what it does. That's right, it's modern, so it's going to throw an error code. See if I can fix it. What I believe happened is the temperature probes become detached from the circuit board. Got this tri-bit, tri-wing I think it's called. Looks like there's two screws. It wants to a little bit, so I'll fiddle with this off camera a little bit. Got it. There's a couple of tabs here and it will release. Let's see, and exactly as I expected. Got one wire that has broken free, so I'll need to strip that out, and I'm going to tack that back on, and probably should add some hot glue to that situation. There we got a little more light on the situation. Okay, you got the wire stripped. It's going to be a bit of a delicate operation, but I'll give it a whirl. Tin the old lead up a little bit. Got it. Not super happy with that connection. Do a little soldering flow there. Now, that looks a little better. So I can put it back together right quick and see if it works. Give it a good test. Flip the switch. Fixed. We are back in business. So I just had to reattach a lead of the temperature probe to the circuit board and it started working again. How about that? Amazing what one can do if they try. So once again, this has been repairing my thermostat outlet for my bedroom window unit. Thank you for watching.